Got the Acer dual mode gaming mouse here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So it looks like we have the user's manual right here. Warranty card, we'll put that off to the side. Looks like we have a USB-C to USB-A cable here. And now we have the mouse. Well, great mouse for large hands like myself. Dedicated button here for DPI. Switch to the on position. That's a nice little area for the USB-A adapter here. And looks like you plug the USB-C end of the cable here, and then you go USB-A into your computer. Have buttons on each side here. Overall, pretty good. So let me just lay this out one more time. You have the user manual, the warranty card, the USB-C to USB-A cable, and the mouse itself. That's what comes with the package.